just bought a Hisense fridge, hrf266n6cse, and it was delivered and installed today. The fridge keeps beeping, and on the temp display, the freezer reads 0, and the fridge reads, Doctor. It even reads DR when all the doors are closed. Not sure what the problem is.
How long has this been going on with your Hisense refrigerator? What have you tried so far?
Since it was installed at noon today. Checked all the seals, made sure there was nothing stopping the spots from closing.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
Hi, my name is. I have been in the repair field for over 20 years. I am sorry you are having issues. I will be glad to help you today. The error indicates that the door is opened. There may be some shipping tape over one of the door switches. Otherwise, if the door was removed for delivery, then the harness and the hinge may be loose.
Thank you for your help. I'm at work until 3:30, but I will check it as soon as I get home.
You are very welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.